Let's learn something interesting today. I'm going to use this products data sheet in this video. I'm going to achieve this kind of report design with a header as a formatting and footer as a formatting. Let me show you how we can do this. I'm just going to use a formula, say let, and in this formula we are just going to do first action, that is a grouping group by data. I've just added a variable group data and adding this formula group by product category comma products, and we are going to do a sum of stock quantity comma sum. So this value is going to return us two columns and going to store in a group data, and from that we are just going to do a total quantity with this sum index of grouped data comma 2, because we have the second number of column going to have that value, and we use the index because we can do directly a range. Next, third, we are just going to add a third variable grand total row and going to use HSTACK for the grand total. We are just going to get the total over here. Now, in let function, you can have only one output. So we are just going to stack all the outputs into one using the VSTACK function. Let's put the header first of all, say category, comma, total quantity by category, and curly braces complete, comma. The next value is our the data, so grouped data, and the third value is going to be our footer, that is a grand total row. Bracket complete, and let's bracket complete and enter, and we have the data, and you can see that it is already formatted, and this is because of conditional formatting. I'm just going to show you how you can do this. Let me click on the manage. Yep, you can see I have three formulas over here, for the category, for the grand total, and if the cell is not blank. I'm just going to remove all this and going to show you how you can create it. Okay, so create a first new rule. I'm just going to click the formula, and we are just going to select the first cell, that is a category, and we are just going to write a category. So just basically identifying if the category is shown, then just mark with some color. Okay, um, and then you let me change the color first of all so it gets a better understanding. Okay, let's put it as orange. Okay, okay, and next let's add another rule for the grand total. So I'm just selecting the same cell B3 equal to grand total, and if the grand total text is there, let me change the color to say green, and okay, and let's make it a mode. Let's add the third rule for the border. So I'm just going to select this, and I'm just going to press B3, select the cell B3, not going to do any dollar signs and not equal to blank. And if it is there, just put the borders. Let me take the dotted one, outline. Okay, okay, and you can see that we have the format.